Each week, Niagara residents can place their green bins and organic materials out for curbside collection. The green bin is the place to dispose of all your organic, compostable materials such as kitchen scraps, plants, and other compostable items such as paper towels and tissue. Green bins can be lined with paper or certified compostable bags. Any non-paper bag that is used to line a green bin must be compostable and have the symbol. Plastic grocery bags are not compostable and cannot be used in the green bin. The curbside collection of green bins and organics takes place weekly for all residential homes in Niagara and apartments up to 6 units. Residents can place out their green bins as well as any leaf and yard waste for organic collection and pickup. Once collected, all green bin materials in Niagara are dropped off at the Integrated Municipal Services Gore Composting Facility in Thorold. Since 2002, IMS has composted over 360,000 tons of organic material. By recycling organic materials in a green bin, we can ensure that organic waste can be turned into valuable compost instead of disposing of it at a landfill site. When the organic materials are dropped off at the receiving building at the compost facility, they are quickly blended with processed leaf and yard waste. Blending the materials as they arrive has numerous benefits, including a significant reduction of odors and improving the speed and quality of the composting process. After the material is blended, it is processed through a mixer to further blend the materials and chop it into smaller pieces. The blended organic material is then loaded into large cells for composting. Each cell is 50 meters long and 7.5 meters wide and can hold approximately 1,000 metric tons of materials. Once loaded into the cell, the area is completely covered with a Gore cover using a mobile winding machine. The Gore cover is the most important part of the Gore cover composting system used at the IMS facility because it creates the environment that enhances the compost process while preventing odor emissions. Once completely covered by the Gore cover, temperature and oxygen sensors are inserted through the fabric. Aeration fans are turned on and will be controlled by the oxygen level in the pile. The material remains covered in these cells for 4 weeks. After the initial 4 weeks, the material is moved to a second phase cell. Once the material is moved, it is covered once more. The temperature and oxygen sensors are again inserted in the fabric. The aeration fans are turned on. After 2 weeks, the material is moved to another cell for the final phase of the Gore cover system process. During this final phase, the material is not covered as there is little odor. Once again, the sensors are inserted and the fans are turned on. After the materials have composted for 8 weeks, they are screened to separate as many contaminants and inorganic materials as possible. When non-compostable plastic bags, plastic and other non-organic materials are put in the green bin, they are separated in the screening process so that they do not contaminate the larger portion of the compost product. The portions of the compost and non-compostable materials that cannot be separated are sent to the landfill. After screening, the compost is ready for pickup and use. From start to finish, it takes the organic green bin materials approximately 8 weeks to be turned into valuable compost material. Much of the compost materials generated by the Green Bin program is resold and reused in Niagara. Compost materials can be used on gardens and in landscaping to improve soil quality. The Niagara region encourages all residents to rethink their waste. By using your green bin, you are helping to keep organic materials out of our landfill sites. For more information on waste collection services, please visit the Region's website or call the Region's Waste Info Line.